Hello, good morning, friends. I am Professor Thakre Manohar Rangnath. Today, I am going to deal with you section 2, 2.1, a poem Cherry Tree written by Ruskin Bond. In previous lecture, we had discussed about the introduction of English subject syllabus. In today's lecture, we will start our section 2, 2.1, a cherry tree. Dear student, before starting this poem, we have to discuss about the icebreaker questions based on our poet. The first question is, trees are revered because it means that झाडं आपल्यासाठी आदरणीय किंवा पूजनीय का आहेत. What are the reasons? Let's see one by one. The first one is they give us joy. Second one is they give us shelter. Third one, they give us fruit and fuel. Dear student, these are the three reasons that trees are revered for this. Let's discuss about the poet. The poet is Ruskin Bond. He is an Indian poet. He has written hundreds of short stories for children. Dear student, Ruskin Bond is one of the famous Indian poet in Indian English writing. He has written hundreds of short stories for children. He got the prize for poetry writing when he was 17. At the age of this 17, he got the first prize for the poetry writing. In 1992, he received the Sahitya Academy Award for English Writing in India, as well as he has also awarded of the Padma Shri in 1999 in his work in Indian English writing. Let's discuss about the poem. The Cherry Tree is a natural poem. Dear student, there is a question in your mind that what is the meaning of the natural poem? Natural poem means the phenomena of the nature that is included or that is used in our poem, that we call natural poem. Second, it is about the poem Ecstasy over a tree which he planted, which took 8 years to grow. In this poem, a poet had planted a small cherry tree and that took 8 years to grow, and during that 8 years, how he was happy when it was growing. The poet is expressing his wonder at to his ways nature, and poet was express his wonder that how a cherry tree survival for life. He explained the struggle of the cherry tree for survival. ह्या कवितेमध्ये कवीने चेरी ट्री कशा प्रकारे आपलं आयुष्य जगण्यासाठी धडपड करते किंवा संघर्ष करते त्याचं वर्णन ह्या कवितेमध्ये आलेलं आहे. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट, दे गिव him immense joy as he sees stars in the sky. He seems that fruit of the cherry trees seems like as stars in the sky. Let's discuss a poem by line. Dear student, I am going to read a poem line by line. You must have give attention in your textbook when I am going to read. 8 years have passed since I placed my cherry seeds in the grass. Must have a tree of my own, I said. I watered it once and went to bed and forgot. But cherries have a way of growing, those no one caring very much or knowing. And suddenly that summer, near the end of May, I found a cherry tree had came to stay. In the first 8 lines, the poet says that 8 years have totally passed. It means that it is over now, and since I placed my cherry seeds in the grass before 8 years ago, I have planted a cherry seeds in a grass, or I throw a cherry seeds in a grass. Why? Because must have a tree of my own. पोएट सेज दॅट. कवी या ठिकाणी सांगतो की 8 वर्षाचा कालावधी होऊन गेलेला आहे आणि 8 वर्षाच्या अगोदर मी चेरी ट्रीचं जे बी असतं ते मी गवतामध्ये असं फेकलेलं होतं किंवा मी त्या ठिकाणी ते टाकलेलं होतं. वाय? बिकॉज मस्ट हॅव अ ट्री ऑफ माय ओन, आय सेड. माझं स्वतःचं एखादं झाड असावं, त्यामुळे मी ते चेरी ट्रीचं बी त्या ठिकाणी गवतामध्ये टाकले. अँड वॉटर्ड इट वन्स अँड वेंट टू बेड. आय वॉटर्ड इट. इट मीन द पोएट वॉटर्ड दॅट प्लॅन्ट अँड वेंट टू द बेड. म्हणजे कवीने त्या ठिकाणी झाडाला पाणी टाकलं आणि झाडाला पाणी टाकल्यानंतर कवी आता झोपण्यासाठी निघून गेलेला आहे. अँड फॉरगॉट. ही फॉरगॉट दॅट. वॉट ही फॉरगॉट? दॅट ही हॅज planted a cherry seeds, but cherries have a way of growing, but the cherry tree has not forgotten that it is planted by someone else to it, those no one caring very much or knowing. And why others are not take care it? Because they don't know it is planted. And suddenly that summer near the end of May, I found a tree had came to stay. Poet has been forgotten all the things that he has planted cherry seeds in the grass, and he watered it regularly and take care of that. All the things he has forgotten. But as the summer season is came and all the grass is destroyed, and there were only one thing that was a cherry tree that is alive, that is came to stay. त्या ठिकाणी उन्हाळ्याच्या ऋतूमध्ये कवीला फक्त एकच गोष्ट त्या ठिकाणी जिवंत दिसते आणि ती म्हणजे त्याने लावलेलं चेरी ट्रीचं झाड. इट वॉज व्हेरी स्मॉल. इन अ नेक्स्ट स्टांजाज द पोएट इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस what are the characteristics of that cherry tree. That is, it was very small, 5 months child, and that cherry tree like as a only 5 months child, it was too small, lost in the tall grass running wild, and it was lost itself in that grass. हे चेरी ट्रीचं जे छोटंसं झाड होतं 5 महिन्याचं, ते झाड स्वतःला त्या उंच गवतामध्ये कुठेतरी हरवून बसलेलं आहे. Goat ate the leaves, the grass cutter the skate, split it apart and monsoon blight. Goat came there and ate the leaves of that cherry plant, and the grass cutter cut the skit of surrounding that cherry tree. And he was afraid about it whether that grass cutter should cut it or not. Shriveled the slender stem even so, and the cherry trees had shriveled, and his stems become very slender because of the monsoon blight or the insufficient rain in that rainy season. Even though what happened, म्हणजे एवढ्या सगळ्या समस्यांना सामोरे गेल्यानंतर सुद्धा how that cherry tree is going to struggle for survival, and what are the changes are occurred in that cherry tree. Let's see. Next spring I watched 3 new shoots to grow. पुढच्याच ऋतूमध्ये कवी सांगते की मी त्या झाडाला 3 नवीन अंकुर फुटलेले बघितले. The young tree struggle upward, thrust its arms in a fresh fierce lust, and those new shoots are growing. That is like as his arms, and that is a very aggressive for to the growing. आणि त्या झाडाला त्या बकरीने खाल्ल्यानंतर जी काही पालवी फुटलेली, दॅट इज लाईक हिज आर्म्स, ज्या काही फांद्या आहेत त्या झाडाला आपल्या हातासारख्या वाटत आहे, आणि त्या पण कशा आहेत एकदम ॲग्रेसिव्ह, एकदम मजबूत आहे. फॉर लाईट अँड एअर अँड सन आय कुड ओनली वेट ॲज वन who watched wandering while time and the rain made a miracle from green growing pain. He says that the cherry tree is going to survival in any condition for a live a life. म्हणजे चेरी ट्रीचं ते एवढंसं झाड आपलं आयुष्य जगण्यासाठी कशा प्रकारे संघर्ष करतं आहे आणि हा संघर्ष केल्यानंतर याला कशाप्रकारे एक नवीन हिरवीगार अशी पालवी फुटते याचं वर्णन पुढे केलेलं आहे. आय वेंट अवे नेक्स्ट इयर, स्पेंट अ सीझन इन Kashmir. Poet says that I went away next year. I was not there. I was at a Kashmir. Spent a season in a Kashmir for to my work. Came back thinner, rather poor, but richer by a cherry tree at my door. When I came back to my door, it was I become a very thinner, but my cherry trees become more richer than me. मी लावलेलं जे काही झाड होतं हे माझ्यापेक्षा आता खूप काय झालेलं आहे, श्रीमंत झालेलं आहे. व्हॉट आर दॅट रिचनेस ऑफ दॅट चेरी ट्री? लुक ॲट दिस. 6 feet हाय माय ओन दॅट चेरी, अँड दॅट इज द फर्स्ट रिचनेस ऑफ द चेरी ट्री. दॅट इज द 6 feet हाईट ऑफ द चेरी ट्री, अँड आय कुड स्केअर्सली बिलीव्ह इट इज अ बेरी. अँड पोएट सेज दॅट I must believe that it is not a tree of the cherry, it is a tree of berry. Ripen and jewel in the sun, and the fruit of the cherries that are the ripen, and it seems like as a jewel. त्या चेरी ट्रीच्या झाडाला जी काही फळं आहेत ही फळं एकदम सोन्यासारखी पिकलेली त्या ठिकाणी आता कवीला दिसलेली. Hung from a branches just one, and next year there were blossoms small, pink fragile quick to fall at the merest breeze the sleepless bridge. And next year there were blossoms small. म्हणजे पुढच्याच ऋतूमध्ये त्या झाडाला एक छानसा असा बहर आलेला आहे. And what are the changes occur in that blossom? That is pink fragile quick to fall at the merest breeze and the sleepless bridge. त्या आलेल्या ब्लॉसममुळे, त्या आलेल्या बहारामुळे त्या झाडाचा सुगंध खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे येत होता. आय ले ऑन द ग्रास ॲट इज लुकिंग अप थ्रू द लीव्स ॲट द ब्ल्यूज ब्लाइंड स्काय ॲट द फिंचेस ॲज दे फ्ल्यू. आय ले ऑन द ग्रास ॲट इज. पोएट सेज दॅट I was lay under that tree and looking up through the leaves of cherry trees, and how it was how it was it seems like as a blind sky at the finches as they flew, and as the finch bird is flew in a sky, that the same way the leaves of that cherries like seems to be that finch bird. Wild bees in ecstasy drank of nectar from each bloom, and the sun sank. And even those, the bees are very happy while they were drinking a nectar from blossom of that cherry tree. Swiftly and the stars turn in the sky, and that blossom change into the fruits. त्या झाडाला आलेला जो बहर आहे आता आकाशामध्ये बदललेला आहे, फळामध्ये त्याचं रूपांतर झालेलं आहे. अँड दॅट सेम्स टू बी लाईक ॲज अ स्टार्स इन द स्काय. ते फळं आता आकाशातल्या चांदण्यांसारखी कवीला भासता आहेत. येस येस आय प्रेज नाईट अँड स्टार्स अँड ट्री दॅट स्मॉल द चेरी ट्री ग्रोन बाय मी. And why that cherries become very rich? Because that is planted by me, that is grown by me. At the last line poet says that small cherry grown by me. हे जे छोटंसं रोपटं आहे ह्या झाडाची मी लागवड केलेली किंवा त्याला मी लावलेलं आहे, आणि त्या छोट्याशा रोपट्यातनं आज एवढं मोठं झाड त्या ठिकाणी झालेलं आहे. डिअर स्टुडंट, we take message from this poem that if a small plant or a small tree is doing struggle for live a better life, so we must have to face so many difficulties in our life, but we have not bothered from it, and we have to face it and go ahead and get a succeed. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, चेरी ट्रीच्या रोपट्याप्रमाणेच आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये सुद्धा अनेक प्रकारच्या समस्या येत असतात. या समस्यांवरती मात करून आपल्याला आपलं आयुष्य जगावं लागतं आणि यशापर्यंत पोहोचावं लागतं. देर आर दी सम brainstorming questions are given. First, find proof from the poem for the following. Dear student, there are the 4 options are given, and from the given 4 options there is one option that gives a clear cut idea of our poem. या 4 विधानांमधनं आपल्याला एक विधान असं शोधायचं आहे की ज्या विधानामधून आपल्याला आपल्या कवितेची कल्पना समजून घ्यायची आहे. फर्स्ट, द पोएट हॅज मेन्शन डिफरंट सीझन्स. दॅट इज नॉट हिअर. The poet minute observation of the steady growth of the cherry tree, the color imaginary in the poem, and the last, the struggle of the cherry tree for survival. That is message we have to taken from this story or this poem. Second, state whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement by finding the evidences from the poem to support your remark. Dear student, in this second activity there are some true or false statements are given. From the given statements we have to identify which is a false and which is a true. If the statement is false, we have to give the evidences for to the correct it. Let's see one by one. A, the cherry tree did not take long to grow. That is a false. The cherry tree has take 8 years to grow. B, birds and insects were benefited from the tree. That is a true. The poet was exalted at the sight of the cherry tree. That is true. The poem has an underlying message about the importance of tree. That is also true. The poet repents planting the cherry tree. That is a false. Repents means पश्चाताप होणे. So dear students, in this way we have to discuss, we have to learn a 2.1 poem, a cherry tree. In upcoming lectures we will discuss a new topic. Thank you for watching this video.